yesterday class we have proved the Pythagoras theorem. As you know, the theorem it states that in a right angle triangle the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we have proved this statement in the last class. Today let's learn the problems based on the Pythagoras theorem, the two application level problems on Pythagoras theorem. So in that the first one is, it goes like that: in triangle ABC, this is what the problem. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we want to prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. So in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we want to prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now let's write a triangle. So any triangle you can write, that is in triangle ABC. So whatever may be the triangle, A, B, C. In this triangle, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we want to prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. AB square plus DC square is equal to AC square plus BD square. That's what we want to prove. Now let's see how we can prove this theorem. Here, in order to prove this, so we want to take the two triangles, the triangle ABD and triangle ADC. These two are right angle triangles. Triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. At the same time, triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. First, let's consider so solution. In triangle ABD, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Then the side opposite to this 90 degrees in triangle ABD is AB. It means AB is the hypotenuse. So we can write that is AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. So for AD square what we can write? So for AD square we can write AB square minus BD square. So let's call it as equation 1. At the same time, now let's consider the triangle ADC in which angle D is 90 degree. In triangle ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AC square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is AD square plus CD square. Once again, for AD square what we can write? That is nothing but, that is AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Let's call it as 2. So in both the triangles, now we got the measurement of AD square. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what we can write? It is also for AD square and it is also for AD square. So AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Now the result what we want, AB square plus CD square we want. But here we got minus CD square. Let us transpose this one to this side. Then we will get AB square plus CD square, that is equal to AC square plus BD square. And this is because of axiom 1. So axiom 1, it states that two things which are equal to the same thing AD square. Here AB square minus BD square as well AC square minus CD square, they are equal to the same thing AD square and AD square. So we have equated that one. Understood? Then AB square, then if CD square is transposed to the left side, it will become plus CD square, and BD square is transposed to the right side, then it will become plus BD square. So this is what the result we required, and it is very important for the board examination. So I hope you have understood this problem, dear students. Now let's consider one more problem, so which is application problem on Pythagoras theorem, and also very important for the board examination. So the problem is like this: P and Q are points on sides C and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angled at C. Then we want to prove that AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. First, let's draw a figure related to this. Here, in triangle ABC, it is a triangle ABC, right angled at C. It is a triangle ABC, right angled at C, A, B, C. And P and Q are points on CA and CB. So let's assume P is a point on CA and Q is a point on CB. Understand? Then we want to prove that AQ square, it means AQ square plus BP square. AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. So let's see how we can prove this. So we want to prove, what we want to prove, AQ square plus AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. So this is what we want to prove. So AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. So to get AQ square, AQ in triangle ACQ. So to get AQ square, we should consider triangle ACQ. In triangle ACQ, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AQ square is equal to, it is, now we are considering only this triangle. AQ square is equal to AC square plus CQ square. AC square plus CQ square. So let's call it as, it is because of Pythagoras theorem, let's call it as equation 1. Then to get BP square, so we want to consider triangle BCB. In triangle PCB, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, BP square is equal to, BP square is equal to PC square plus BC square. So let's call it as equation 2. It is also because of Pythagoras theorem. So to get AQ square, we have considered triangle ACQ, and to get BP square, we have considered triangle PCB. So we got AC square plus CQ square for AQ square, and for BP square we got PC square plus BP square. Here we want to add those two. It means adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So right side we want to add, that is AQ square plus BP square. So right side terms we have added. So similarly left side terms we want to add, that is AC square plus CQ square plus PC square plus BP square. So that's what we got now. But it is AB square is there. For AB square what we can write? AC square plus BC square. So AC square plus BC square. In triangle PCB, PC square plus BC square we want to write here. So it is BC square. So to get AB square, we want to get AC square plus BC square. Let's rearrange the things. That is AC square plus BC square, and remaining 2, that is CQ square plus PC square. So for this, so here we can consider in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore what we can write, that is for AB square we can write AC square plus BC square, and in triangle ACQ, in triangle ACQ, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore PQ square is equal to CQ square plus PC square. CQ square plus PC square. So once if we know these two results, then so that implies AK square plus BP square is equal to, for AC square plus BC square we can write AB square, and for CQ square plus PC square we can write PQ square. That's what the required result is. So I will explain once again. You just see. So it is in triangle ABC, which is a right angled at C. P is a point on AC and Q is a point on BC. So then we want to show that AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. So to get AQ square, so we want in triangle, we want to consider triangle ACQ, in which angle C is equal to 90 degree. For AQ square we can write AC square plus CQ square. Similarly, to get BP square, we want to consider triangle PCB in which angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, for BP square is equal to PC square plus BC square. Now, AQ square plus BP square, it is added. So, we want to add equation 1 and equation 2. AQ square plus BP square is equal to AC square plus CQ square plus PC square plus BC square. Now, we want to rearrange the things. Why? Because the results what we want AB square plus PQ square. What we can write for AB square? We can write for AB square we can write AC square plus BC square. So let's group AC square plus BC square and remaining two as another group. In triangle ABC, for AB square we can write AC square plus BC square, and for PQ square we can write PC square plus QC square, that is CQ square. So AQ square plus BP square is equal to, for AC square plus BC square we can write AB square, and for CQ square plus PC square we can write PQ square. So these two problems are very important for the board examination and which are of application level. So to watch few more problems on the applications of Pythagoras theorem, so subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, and express the same in the comment section. Thank you.